So I was just pulling my PC apart to install my RTX 4090 that I made a video about not too long ago about how huge it was. I RMA'd it, I sent in the original box. Here's the original box during the unboxing that I had. But yeah, MSI decided that after I spent $1,800 on a graphics card, that it wasn't worth sending me back the original box. So let's make sure, whoa. That is actually in here, which seems to be the case. Yeah, still heavy and huge as always. GeForce RTX. Yeah, so it seems like they gave me back my 4090, but they gave me this plain white cardboard box after you spend $1,800 in a GPU. And on top of that, they put the 12-pin connector, you know, the one that's breaking, they put it on the outside of the package, literally like this, with the box right here. So yeah, my computer cost me $4,000, and half of it, when the part was broken, they shipped it back just like this. Like, come on, guys. And I don't even have the original box anymore. What happens later on, when I want to sell the GPU eventually and get a new one, I don't think I want to get an MSI one anymore. But that's just me. I like MSI stuff, have multiple MSI things in the past, but that's just a pretty horrible experience. And I had to pay for the shipping in the first place to even send in the RMA, and it was like almost $100. That's just ridiculous. So I just took it out of that wrapping as well, the anti-static. They did not even put the GPU safety thing back on it. Like, and is that dirt? What is that? Look at that. Like, how careless can you be? I can honestly say I'm probably never going to buy an MSI graphics card ever again after this. Honestly, it's BS.